YouTube? Freddy back again with another video. In this video we're gonna be working on the Mustang again. We got another mod ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and get everything set up and install it and let you guys watch as I do it. Hey guys, so we are going to be replacing the cold air intake with Airaid cold air intake. So we need to take this part out, unplug this, and then take it out and hook up put in the Airaid one. All right, so got stuff ready to go. Now we just got to take this thing out. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to pull the battery negative side out. So just take these thumb screws. All right. And just lift this out. And we're just gonna unscrew that one right there. And we're using a 10mm here. There we go. All right, so we'll start off by taking this thing out. It just kind of pops out. And then just lift it up and slide it out. Like so. Loosen this one right here, the clamp right there, okay? Then you gotta take one bolt that's out here that is, let's see, 10mm, and the little one right there was 7, I think. So let's take this one over here out. Save this bolt coming out of here though. Alright, so hold on to this bolt. And this one you can just kind of push this in, pull it out. With this one, the same thing. It's got like a little thing right here. Just pull that one back some. Right there. Pull the hose out, and this one you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers for that one. Guys, it is really cold out here today. Pull it out. unplug this thing first too. Make sure you unplug that. Okay. Pull this little clip out. It'd be best if you did this with some kind of clip removal tool, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. Put it around back to this side, because this part comes out right here. This should just come up and out. One thing, guys, make sure you get this part off of the old cold air intake, because it'll go back in that hole right there. Now guys, I went ahead and removed the sound tube right here, and this a lot of people say that car sounds better with this off. And really all you got to do is kind of stick this up under here and slide it through, and it'll just kind of come off. Push this back on here. Alright guys, so I'm going to start next with putting the main part of the cold air here, cold air intake. Alright, the screw that you took out is gonna go in here. Don't over tighten that. Alright, then next, grab this part and make sure these are at a good orientation to where you can tighten them easy. Right here, make sure you leave these to where you can see them so you can tighten them better. I get the throttle body one ready, and it's gonna go right there. Alright, then get the main tube. Oh, and you don't forget to transfer the this sensor right here. Don't forget to loosen this up as much as you can, because that will make it easier. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and start tightening some of these. Now this one you want to make sure that it's closer to the edge, so that you're grabbing the right area to hold in place. Now these I'm gonna push them back some so they're not as noticeable. Stop there. So this one closer to the edge as well. Then you want to plug your mass air sensor. Push it through here, and then just pull some of the wire here through this clip. Now you want to do this careful so that you don't put too much strain on the wire. Then push that red part back in there. Plug that one. Then you just put this back over here, and we're almost done, guys. Then we're just gonna put the cover on it. This weather's been crazy. It's been hot, it's been cold, it's been raining, snowing, crazy windy, and like a little bit of everything going on. Guys, don't drop any of these little bolts anywhere, because it will make it a lot harder to find them if you drop. Next, now we got everything plugged in, go ahead and get your battery back on, your battery connected. Again, guys, don't drop these, okay? Because they can be difficult to locate if you drop them. Alright, guys, now that we got everything plugged in, the next thing we need to do is put our cover back on, and we will be done. Alright, guys, so there we go, and it's good. Alright, let's give it a crank. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, go ahead and subscribe down below. I will have more things I want to do to the car. If you want to see those, or just random things that I do, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, comment. Till next time, peace.